Hong Kong today reported 4,649 new COVID-19 infections, 399 of which were imported. 4 more COVID patients died. Meanwhile, Chief Executive John Lee stressed the city's mask mandate and the vaccine path health code system will not be scrapped in the short run, as they are effective risk control measures. Christy Khan reports.
Over the past 2 weeks, the city experienced the long-awaited normalcy for a while. Financiers attending the 3-day Global Financial Leaders Investment Summit were exempted from vaccine pass amber code restrictions, while spectators of the Hong Kong Rugby Sevens enjoyed their unmasked festivities at the stadium for 3 days. Yesterday, the government announced that inbound tour group travelers will also be allowed to go to tourist attractions and some regulated eateries even with their amber code. Speaking to reporters ahead of today's Executive Council meeting, Chief Executive John Lee noted that the special arrangements, for example, waiving certain anti-COVID rules for these events, were granted under one principle.
The principle that I have mentioned, I want to repeat again, is for activities, particularly large-scale with economic elements, and also international events, then we will, while controlling the risk, allow it to happen with specific plans.
Asked if there is a possibility to ask the amber code system, Lee reiterated that the city is still in the midst of risks.
We're not going to scrap the amber code system because for the red code and the amber code, it is a means for us to control risk.
He said the city still had around 4,000 to 6,000 COVID cases every day, meaning that the pandemic has never left. That's why the mask mandate will also remain in place because of the uncertainties of COVID, according to the CE. He also hinted that the government has no plans to switch to 0+0 from the current 0+3 scheme.
At the present moment, I think 0+3 has served the purpose of Hong Kong to the acceptable and anticipated extent, allowing a lot of activities to happen. And I've also indicated that the statistics indicating arrivals and departure at the airport is positive. There are more and more people coming to Hong Kong from overseas.
He said the authorities will further ease control measures in an orderly manner, adding that activities in Hong Kong will be given more freedom if the risk is under control. Christy Khan, TVB News.